guys, long time no see. It is Shiny Love 33 here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick little wig review of a wig I got from AliExpress like a long freaking time ago, actually 5 months ago. So I know if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are an old subscriber, I'm going to get into why I've been missing very soon. I'm actually getting ready to film a video right now to kind of give you guys some in-depth, like some information, but I want to get this review out of the way because I did get this wig back in April. You guys saw me wearing the wig that I'm going to show you in a video before I went missing. Yeah, we're going to get to that. I did an AliExpress and eBay haul, basically an online shopping haul that I have yet to film, which I need to film it right now. So first and foremost, I will say I'm sorry if the link to this wig is no longer there. I do apologize. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. You can probably find similar from other sellers on AliExpress. Also, I was trying to find the link to the store and the exact information about the wig, but I could not find that right now. AliExpress is not letting me log into my account, so I will be coming back to do that. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys the wig. So this is the wig that I got. It is this nice black and gray. It's very nice. It's kind of a bluish toned gray. I call this my storm wig. It's about 13 inches long, and like I said, I have had this for about 5 months now. I got this in April, and it does have these little it has a little bit of layering right here in the front, and it has part. It's a lace. It's a synthetic lace. The part is a middle part, and it's very horrendous. I'm gonna actually show you guys what it looks like on me, but the one thing I hate is that the lace is kind of folded right here. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it is. It has two clips right here in the front, and it has a strap in the back, and it fits nicely on my head. It sheds a bit. It's not really tangled. I did brush it through a little bit before I got it. Like I said, I am going to show you guys what it looks like on my head because I know people don't like that. My last wig review got so many dislikes because they couldn't see the back of the wig or whatever. So yeah, I mean, I like this wig. It's very nice. I like the ombre effect. It looks really good on me, or at least I do think so myself. My hair's in a blowout, and it's in 3 big plaits, and I did 2 braids on the side. I did a middle part. It didn't do a middle part, did a side part, because I want to show you what the side part looks like. The wig tangles a bit, but as you can see, I think it's holding up pretty well for 5 months. I did put some wig shine on it, and I've been brushing it with my tangle teaser. As you can see, it's in there. It sheds quite a bit when you brush it, but it doesn't really shed when you wear it. It tangles just a little bit, but not too much. Not anything you can't hit with the brush or your fingers real quick. So now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on. Alright, so I'm back with the wig on. I did just shift it. I told you it's not a bad wig at all. So I can see the back. I know a lot of people get mad because I can't see the back. I'm going to try to bring it forth a little bit more without messing up my camera angle. It's a pretty nice wig. Like I said, it looks better when you kind of shift it to the side because in my other video I had it down the middle. I don't like middle parts. I've never liked middle parts on me or anybody really. But you see how it kind of frames my face a little bit. I'm just trying to push it out of the way. It does kind of frame my face with these little kind of wispies. Just kind of brush those back or leave them however you want. Like I said, this wig is more, for me it was more for filming, for when I don't really feel like doing anything to my hair. The only issue with this wig, I'm going to try to get as close as I can, is the part. The part is not even. If you can see that, I'm going to try to go in and pluck it, but I can see that in this little fold. Do you see that little fold? What I'm going to say with this little fold, like for filming, it's not noticeable, but if you're going to wear this out, I would definitely say take some pieces of your hair and try to blend it out. I can't do that because my hair is not completely black. If my hair was completely black, it would work, but I do have ombre in my hair. I don't know if y'all have seen my hair, but my hair has it's like a brownish blondish, like a honey blonde. I'm sorry I keep flipping the hair. I can't get it to look the way that I want it to look. That's why I keep flipping it. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to try to find the links and stuff to the wig before I even post this, because I know y'all are probably wondering. Or if I can't, I'm going to find an alternative. The shipping was very nice. It was about 2 weeks. I ordered it on, I think, the 12th of April, and I got it before the 26th of April. It got here really quickly. It came with a little foldy brush mirror thing. yeah, I'm gonna try to tell you more when I get there. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this wig review. It's holding up nicely. Just get your little bit of wig sheen, a good little brush, and it's good to go. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next